Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to log in to Ludo King with Facebook. To log in to Ludo King with your Facebook account is super easy. Download and install Ludo King application on your mobile device and launch it open first. Soon after you open up the app, you will end up in this welcome screen. To log into Ludo King with Facebook, tap on Login with Facebook option at the top. Make sure that you have a Facebook account. If not, make sure you create one. For existing Facebook account users, tap on the Continue button in the pop-up, and then, if you've already opened up Facebook application on your device, you can tap on the Open button. If not, you will need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. After entering your credentials for Facebook, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, wait for a couple of minutes, and then there you have successfully logged into Ludo King with your Facebook account. Once logged in, your Facebook profile picture and name should appear in the game. So that's how it's easily done. After logging in with Facebook on Ludo King, you can save the game progress across devices, play with your Facebook friends, and participate in leaderboards. Just ensure that your Facebook account is active and not restricted. That's it for today's video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.